Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your OUKITEL OKT1. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store, and from here we're gonna search for an app. Enter Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. Now after installation process will be completed, we can open our app. From here we'll need to customize it, so first pick the account to synchronize your devices, your browser with other devices. I'm gonna do it later, you can skip that as well if you want. Set up your data sharing preferences, I'm not gonna accept that, and then confirm. Here you can also set Microsoft Edge as default browser. Click on this blue button and select Edge, set as default. You can also select not now if you don't want this. Now let's move to any website, and as you can see it works properly without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.